Hey, it's me, guys.
And us.
Welcome back to the bench for an episode of Model Cars and Coffee.
Oh, Coco, if you like.
Hosted by Paul at Left Coast Model Car Builds. You guys not want any? Oh man, I spilled. It's been a while since we've done one of these, so fun to be back. We have managed to build a couple kits while the project room has been under construction. So we figured we got to get back to a Cars and Coco video. So, who wants to go first? What are you doing?
I TikTok.
Those TikTokers.
The spoon's just like in your
Don't
forehead.
make me laugh when I'm drinking.
Sorry.
Okay, so this is my my truck. Now, I did it with spray paint. And this is my blue, and my blue inside the inside. And silver on the thing. I left these pieces of shiny chrome. And then my license plate is a Mira from K-pop Demon Hunters. And then this thing opens, so you can like put something in here to like show, like a tiny coal. I have one that would be perfect for this side. And then my bottom. And then everyone only says bright pink for like other kind of colors, and they never did it for a truck. So I decided to make a hot pink truck.
Cool.
Don't you think it's pretty wild?
Yep.
Oh yeah, I guess so. Okay. This is my Volkswagen Bus. I painted it rose gold because that's my favorite color. And I repainted the white parts white. And it's kind of like Legos, but not Legos. Except I lost one of these pieces. Yeah, I left them all off because I lost one. It was fun to rebuild and make my own and pick what colors I wanted it, because it was red and now it's rose gold and white. Okay, I'm done talking about it.
All right. So I think this is pretty much the only kit that I got done this year. I built this for the 2025 Naked Model Car Group Build, hosted by Sodak Model Cars. Basically, we put this together and we didn't use any paint. I did use some graphite pencil and a couple Sharpies. That was all to get this to look the way it did. The decals were a little tough to put on, the bare plastic, but I think they look really cool. To me, it's pretty nice that they mold parts in multiple different colors, so for the most part, it looks about the way it was supposed to. I just used, like I said, markers to pick apart some of the details. But yeah, it makes me really want to build another rally car. It was really fun. It went together really well. Yeah, the blue and bright yellow look really cool on the shelf. It's a pretty fun exercise. It's fun to do. It's fun to just get something done. So, how do we want to end this one?
Me eating a marshmallow.
That was the second marshmallow you've caught on camera, her just eating off the spoon. But anyways.
You'll need this. Glad to be back at it, and stay tuned, and till next time, happy building.
Peace.
Peace out.
Homemade.